In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if someone has booked a meeting in Calendly. This is really useful if you're wondering whether a client, a candidate, or a colleague has actually scheduled time with you, and you want to quickly confirm the booking and see all the key details. Let's start from your main Calendly dashboard. Go ahead and log into your Calendly account in your browser. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the home base for your scheduling activity. From here, you can manage your event types, your availability, and most importantly for this video, your meetings. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one, so you're looking at the right calendar. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Meetings. Click on this. This section is where Calendly brings together all of your scheduled events, so you can see what's coming up without digging through individual event types or email notifications. Once you're in the meetings section, you'll notice different tabs across the top. By default, you should be on the Upcoming tab. This is exactly where you want to be to confirm new bookings. Under this tab, you'll see a list of all the meetings that have been scheduled with you. Each entry typically shows the invitee's name, their email address, the date and time of the meeting, and the event type they selected, such as a discovery call or a follow-up session. If someone tells you they've booked, you can scroll through this list or use any available filters or search options to quickly locate their meeting. To see more than just the basic summary, pick the specific meeting you're interested in and click on Details. This will open a more complete view of that appointment. The Details view is where Calendly reveals everything associated with that booking. Here, you'll see the full meeting information, including the answers to any custom booking questions you've added, such as, what would you like to discuss? Or how did you hear about us? You'll also see the location of the meeting, whether it's a video call link, a phone call, or an in-person address. Reviewing these details before your call helps you prepare properly and ensures you and your invitee are on the same page. And that's all you need to do to check if someone has booked a meeting in Calendly and view all the important information in one place.